I'm just mucking on with some microwave oven transformers that I've stripped out of some microwave devices and some street lights. So there's a bit of yield here, so a couple of cooling fans and some other stuff, but this is one of these street lights. I'll go a bit more in detail here. Can't get this last strip out, but this is VF. Nameplates are readable. They're made in Germany, these devices, I think. So it's in the bin, and just stripping the lights out. It's quite a significant device. It is very well heat sinked, and here's one LED strip. I can't get off, the screws have seized completely. This thing has been sitting in my garden for a while. I haven't done anything with it. So yeah, if you look at the other side, it's the old recycling bin. That's the back, so you got heat vents. That's all aluminium, cast aluminium. So yeah, so I got some of the LEDs here. Put this away. It surprises me actually how tiny these LEDs are. Here's the LED strip, and you can take these lenses off, and the actual chips, well, they're about 3 millimeter each, 3 millimeter squared, so they're marginal, minuscule. I'll be testing these out at some stage. This unit, and it did work. I tested it out a while ago. I found it in the skip. Don't know why they throw these out. I've got a big power controller here, Optotronic. See, get you all the numbers on this. OSRAM. And it's got an LED cluster here with mirrors again, similar like the Kim lamp. These chips are significantly larger. They're about 6-7 mil each. They're a lot bigger, these chips. I'm going to energize the device shortly and see if it's going to perform. This lamp is an Italos or Italo2 or something. Italo made in Italy. And some logos on here, so yeah. I was going to plug it in and see what happens. Oh yeah, in hindsight I'll see this is a roadkill. The bracket here is broken. I remember the crew told me, and yeah, got smashed over the pole, but the lamp is still okay. So I just got disposed of, and I got my hands on it. Okay, I'm going to energize the lamp and see what happens. Energize device. Doing 123 watts, 1, 2, 3. Probably the camera will throw it out of focus because of the daylight sensor in it. It's very bright. Yeah, the camera doesn't like it. I'll put it on 50 frames. Put the shutter on 50 Hertz, and yeah, it's actually very bright. It's so hard to look into actually. I will close the device up, and I'll do a night shot with it actually. That makes it a bit more convenient. Also got this washing machine. That's for a bit of fun later on. The lamp is drawing 123 watts, so 124 watts, so not too bad considering. It's got quite a good output. Looks actually quite cool, this. So I get a bit of side readings here for the device. This looks like a solar oven, this unit. I'm on the other side, so I'm out of the mirror part, and it looks actually quite good. I'll try to capture the de-energization afterglow. I'll de-energize the device now. De-energize. See the glow of the phosphors. Yeah, you can see the phosphorus glow, I think. With the lid closed, and I'll give it another shot, and then I'll do an evening shot on this device. Here you got a solar oven. Looks really cool. Okay, the focus. Okay, the light sensor in the camera. I just dropped the brightness down. I just want to see the afterglow. Here's the afterglow of the chips. Do that again. A bit of oh no, hang on, what I'm doing here. Stop. Energize device. De-energize device. The camera doesn't really pick it up that well. Energize device. De-energize device. Do a couple of quick on-off tests.
Yeah, we want it later. Every time I go to court, I'm at risk of getting a bullet through my head. I'm not in constant danger.
Yes, it is.
With over 5,000 years of secrets.
So it's illegal. Just a medical breakthrough. Absolutely.